This is how you get a peach in Grow a Garden in Roblox.
So, peach is a mythical, multi-harvest, and secret crop, meaning it cannot be purchased from Sam's shop. Instead, you can acquire peach seeds following these methods. So, visit the quest giver NPC near the gear shop, collecting daily quest rewards with normal seed packs, which have approximately a 7.7% chance of containing a peach seed. Then, open super seed packs. Then these packs can be obtained by purchasing them with Robux or by claiming the free Forever Pack reward daily. And yep, that is it. Super seed packs offer a higher chance of yielding secret seeds like peach. And how to plant and grow a peach tree. You should need to equip the peach seed, plant the seed, then monitor its growth. And that's it.